Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and for today's video, I partnered up with Kaja Beauty to do this golden peach makeup for the summer. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. I'm first concealing my eyelids. For today's eye look, I'm mostly going to be using this new Kaja Beauty Bento in Poppy Champagne. I really love these eyeshadow trios. I think they're perfect for summer travels since they're so compact. Kaja's new Beauty Bento shade extension includes 2 neutral trios and 2 bright trios, which have a mix of mattes and shimmers so you can really get a whole eye look out of them. For the orange focus, I'm using shade number 2, Major Mandarin in the crease. To deepen the crease, I'm using shade number 3, Juicy Grapefruit, from the same trio. And for the golden juicy effect, I'm using the shimmer shade Star Crusher. I find the best way to apply shimmer is to use your finger rather than a brush. Kaja's new Beauty Bento shades are now available at Sephora online and in store, so I'll leave a link down below if you want to check them out. For eyeliner, I'm first using a deep brown pencil. Next, I'm using a more precise light brown pencil to create a wing. Don't worry if it's a little messy, we're gonna smoke it out later. With a small detail brush, I'm applying a red-brown tone eyeshadow from the Glowing Guava Beauty Bento right above the winged liner. This adds a pop of color to the liner and helps smoke it out. I'm also bringing that shadow over my eye crease to imitate the subtle redness of a peach. Using a makeup wipe, I'm cleaning up the wing. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. I'm using a burgundy mascara to add a hint of color to the lashes. For lashes, I'm using Velour Lashes Wispy Me Away. I love these lashes, but I do wish I had gone for a more natural pair for this particular look. I think that would have matched the vibe of the look better, but I do still really like how the look turned out. Moving on to the face, I'm gonna start concealing my problem areas.
But I can unpack it for you, baby. She said, what if I thought you're coming after me? Would you share your clothes with me?
Next, I'm setting my face with loose powder.
But I'm thinking it's so wrong. Love will happen when it's one. No, it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go.
To contour, I'm using my favorite Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder. For highlight, I'm actually going to use the shimmer from the Beauty Bento I used earlier. It has a really pretty golden sheen, so I wanted to see what it will look like as a highlighter. Moving on to the blush, we're going for a very peachy orange tone today. I'm first using this pastel orange blush from 3CE in the center of my face.
I shall not be seeing you again, perhaps for a very long time.
On the outer section of the cheeks, I'm using the same orange I used on my eyelids. I'm lining my lips with the Il Makiage Waterproof Lip Liner Poppy. For the base lip shade, I'm applying the Kaja Heart Melter Lip Gloss Stick in number 3, Crazy For You. In the center of my lips, I'm using my favorite Fenty Beauty lipstick shade, Freckle Fiesta. I'm gonna lighten the edges a little to make the center pop more. Going back to the eyes, I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line and apply shimmer to the outer section. Next, I'm curling my lower lashes and applying mascara. Finally, I'm gonna highlight my cheekbone and brow bone, and this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Katja for partnering with me on this video. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
She said, what if I did when you're coming up to me? Would you share your flaws with me?